how to set up a 24/7 live stream onto YouTube and Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, and many other streaming platforms where you want to stream. And in this video, I'm going to show you each and everything from getting the software which you're going to use, streaming keys, how to get the free content to stream, and to show you how you can set up a professional live stream onto YouTube and other streaming services. I believe you guys are going to enjoy this, and if you watch this video at the end till the end, well, you're going to get to know each and everything. So let's get started. So what are the things we shall need in this video? We shall need a YouTube account or an account on the platform we are going to stream. Well, we shall need a server. I'll recommend a server and many server providers which are out there. There is Linode, DigitalOcean, Vulture, there is Amazon Web Hosting Services, and there is Azure for Microsoft, there is Google Cloud. All of them can run a live stream and it can be cool. We shall need some content to stream. So if you are told you want to stream a video of this kind which you see on YouTube, or a video of this, or if you want to stream something, I will show you how you can get all the content which you're about to stream. After getting all the requirements which we need, so let's go to step one. All we need to do, let me set up a server as you're seeing. Okay, now the server provider which I'm going to show you here, I'm going to use Amazon. And the good thing with Amazon, when you sign up with them, they will give you a free trial server which is valid for 12 months. And as well, it might not be good for streaming, but well, we have nowhere to go, so let's try out and create a server. I'll recommend a server with the higher specs because it will be good for you when it comes to streaming. Okay, we have created our server which we are going to use to live stream, and what we need to now is to log into our server. We download the streaming software which we are going to use to start live stream, and we get some content for live streaming, and boom, we shall be set to go. So let's do that. See guys, we have logged into our server, and the thing we are gonna do is to download the streaming server which we are going to use. Secondly is to get the content which we are going to stream. So let's first get the software which you are going to use to stream. First, you open up your browser into your software, into your server or your PC which you're going to stream any, and then you search for OBS Studio. Okay, and after that you select that server or that software, and then you select for Windows. So if your server is RDP, use that. If it is Ubuntu, you use Linux. Okay, then we select save. Okay, we put this down. Okay, we go here to downloads, then we run this as administrator. Okay, you click next, you clear the screen, you click next, and then you install the software. Okay, now we have installed the software and we are about to stream, guys. So the other thing we shall need is to get the content which we are going to stream. So I'm going to get a few content and I'm going to show you a website which you can use to get the content which you can stream. Okay, now you head over to your browser and you open up a site maybe like Pixel. Okay, Pixel, even if you type in that and then you select that, the first one. Well, with these guys, they provide you with the free stock content, videos, images, and many other things for free. Of course, you can use them for in your videos and many other stuff. So these are the guys which I'm talking about. So you can stream and search for, maybe if you've seen video of this kind or this. So where they do get those videos, they just come over here and maybe you search for nature videos. Okay, because we are going to stream live, we shall need a horizontal video. So I'm going to say maybe nature or something like this. Let me see. Okay, I want something which is horizontal. Okay, something which is horizontal. want to, okay, there are videos of this kind. Maybe let me say like this. I just want to get one video and then we download them. Maybe let's download this. Now the next step we have to do is to set up our live stream. What we need to do is to optimize for both. Okay, streaming, recording is secondary. Okay, then you select next. For this or base canvas, what you need to do is to choose here and you select 1080. Okay, FPS, I believe leaving it there is better. Okay, but if you select this, it will be good. The streaming services which you're going to stream to, okay, you can select here and then you select YouTube. Select YouTube, and then now our next step is to get our streaming key which we are about to paste there. So what you need to do is to go back, go to your YouTube account. Okay, I'm going to enter studio. Okay, you go to YouTube. And you sign in into your YouTube account. You log into your account and then you select where you see go live. Okay. Now I recommend to do some settings before even you get some sort of keys. Okay. What you need to do is to first place here, you select edit and you put in your title, like maybe my first live stream. Okay, now you put your preferred title. Okay, you enter all your descriptions, the description of the everything, your links and everything into your description, and then you first put it under private. Okay, or unlisted. Actually, you can unlist it or put it under private. Okay, then you select done. Then you scroll here, you choose the category, and then after that you upload your thumbnail. Okay, I have my thumbnail which is over here, so we are going to select our thumbnail. Okay, thumbnails. Okay, I'm having some thumbnails here. Okay, here it is. I can show you. Okay, you can see this is the thumbnail we are going to use. I think it will be better, it will be cool. Okay, and then we select open. That thumbnail is uploaded. We select the playlist which we want to put this thing. Then we add our tags. Okay, so you add your tags of your video. I know you, by the time you want to do a live stream on YouTube, you know what tags are. Okay, and then after doing all this and this, you come up to monetization. So if your live stream, you can select monetization and you turn it on. Okay, and then you click save. So right now we are going to first, why we did this is that we need to first see what we are going to stream to the public, such that it is very clear to us, and then we let it to go to the public. That's how it should be handled professionally. Then what you need to do is to scroll down here and select stream key. Okay, you copy that and always keep this stream key as secret as you can, because anyone else having this stream key can use it for other wrong intentions and will stream something bad onto your channel. Okay, now I'll go back to our software and we paste our stream key. So if you're going to stream to Facebook, you can select Facebook, restream, Twitter, or we can even show all what you need to stream to. Okay, but selecting this is better. And then our next step is video bitrate. Now video bitrate depends on the speed of your server, okay, what you get from testing the speed, but I recommend leaving it the way it is there, okay. If you go to fast.com, okay, now my server is in almost 1.2 gigabytes per second and high, okay, but if possible, I recommend you leaving it the way it is. But if you're going to stream high graphic content, maybe you can increase it to around 5,000 to that level. But it's ready and we are set to go. Our next step is to start the live stream. Okay, now the first thing we shall need to do is to import our content which we are going to stream. So what you need to do is to come over here and you right click, or you come over here where is putting the cursor, and then we select the source. Then you have to select this option which is VLC video source, okay. I'll select that, then I'll name this video play list, okay. Then I'll select OK, and then I'll choose my list, okay. I will choose my list. I will choose my list by selecting the plus icon, add the files, desktop, select live stream, and I select all the files there. I import, then I say OK. You can loop the list, then you select OK. Now our videos are already playing, okay. Now what you're seeing there, that it's what you're seeing there is the control, what people will see the other side, okay. Now if I start playing this video, you'll see what exactly they are. So they will play in a loop and they won't stop until maybe you stop the live stream, okay. But the other thing you'll do, maybe let me say they are just videos, or maybe let me say you uploaded a program and you want to use different footage. So maybe you want to use a different audio. What you need to do is to select this plus, and then you select, you can select, that is audio input capture. That is when you're going to use a microphone. But the best way to do that is to select a media source, okay. Media source, that's when you select an audio that you can use so that it goes through, okay. Now that is when you're going to input the audio, okay. Now the other thing you can do about the live stream is you can set up text which you can add, and you add value to the live stream. But we are here just to know how we can set up the live stream. So one, we got the server, we did each and everything in our previous content, and now the next step to do is to select start streaming, okay. Now what we need to do is just select start streaming. Now the stream has started and we can see the rate, or the rate at which the content is being broadcasted out. And if we check onto our channel here and we refresh, you can see that the stream has already started, and what is in our server here, okay, what is in our server here is already here, okay. Though I paused it such that we can see what exactly is going. And the good thing is that we are still in private mode. That means if I told I want to add something to make this screen look nice, well, I'll think of it in this time, okay. So that's what you need to think about. You add some scrolls, add some, as you can see on television. So these are the things I'll make in my next video, which I'm about to make, okay. Now what I'll need to do here is to start the live stream. Okay, what we all need to do now is to just play, okay. It's just to start the play, okay. You just click there, and then your live stream will be broadcasted back to your server here, okay. So you just give it time. It takes a loop of just 15 seconds, and then boom, your live stream will be live, and people will be seeing what you're streaming onto your server, just like the way you're seeing here, okay. With this, it will help you add more stuff. The more you edit lots of videos you want to stream, the more you add, like if you say that this one will also work, you add into the playlist, you add, and then until you can do what, you can change, okay, until you stop the live stream, or until when you see that the live stream is no longer, you can no longer manage it. Okay, now that's all. And the other thing you need to do is to always focus on to what YouTube tells you here. Okay, so it is telling us the audio is low just because our live stream isn't having audio. Now here are the precautions which you should always mind before you stream anything onto YouTube. Okay, well, you should make sure that wherever you're streaming is copyright free. Okay, or whatever you're streaming is copyright free. And if you're restreaming something, make sure you add value onto it. Okay, so these are the things I'll be describing into my previous video. With that, I remain Scott UG. Meet another video. God bless you.